Hi, I'm Grant with MarineMax Jacksonville. Today we're going to take a quick look at Scout's 177. This boat is 17 foot 7 inches long. It's got a 7 foot 3 inch beam and a 20-gallon fuel capacity. Let's look at this particular boat and look at some of the features and options on this Scout. First off, this one's rigged with the super fuel efficient 70 horsepower Yamaha. Great engine, very reliable, super fuel efficient. You'll be real happy with that package. On the port aft of the boat back there, we've got a nice swim platform with a fold out swim ladder on it. So it's going to make re-entry to the boat very easy for you. Nicely finished off back there. As you work your way forward, you're going to lift up this double wide seat right here. Look underneath there. The first thing that you're going to notice is when you look down on the bilge, look at how nicely finished off this boat is. Your bilge is just as nice and smooth as the rest of the boat is. What that does for you is it's easy to clean up. It doesn't get stinky down there. It doesn't get greasy. It doesn't get mildewy. So that's real important. You've got designated cooler storage. There's a cooler that goes with this boat. I've just got that pulled out so that you can see how nicely finished off the bilge is down in there. Some tackle storage down below. Also a place for your fillet knives, some fishing pliers. Again, looking at the underside of this lid, this is as smooth and finished off as it was exposed. It's something that you were looking at every day. Scout does a fantastic job with their fit and finish work. These are 100% hand-laid fiberglass, so this is a hand-built boat. It takes a lot longer to build a boat like that, several times longer than it does a chopped glass boat. But the benefit of that is that you're going to have a laminate thickness that is the same everywhere, a really balanced out boat. The thickness is the same all throughout. There's no voids, there's no thin spots in it. Going up to the helm here, we've got your stainless steel steering wheel with a tilt wheel on it. Your battery switch, super easy to get to right here at the helm. There's your battery storage, so easy to pull that battery out of there if you need to replace your battery. You'll notice your console grab rail here is at a perfect height too, so if you're standing up and you're riding, or if you're standing up and driving, you've got a nice secure handhold there. Looking down on the gunnels here, of course, stainless steel 3/16 laboratory grade stainless steel cleats on this. All your hardware on this boat is 3/16 laboratory. Laboratory grade is similar to what they use to make scalpels and doctor's equipment with, so it's very so it stands up to corrosion really good. You're not going to have to do a lot of maintenance with the stainless steel on this boat. In front of the console, you've got a nice seat right here. Great comfortable riding up in front. You can see you've got a backrest on that. Goes nice and high up your back to give you plenty of support. As you work your way a little bit further forward, another big storage. For a 17-foot boat, this has got a lot of storage on it. So as you open this forward one, again, you can see beautifully finished on the inside. Designated storage here for your navigation lights on there. This boat is pre-wired for your trolling motor already. And also for a little 17-foot boat, it's got these great rod holders right here on the front of it too. Place that you can use for trolling, or if you just need to put a couple rods in there for storage. This is the Scout 177. This is a 2017 model that's here at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. We'll get you a great deal on it today. I'm Grant. Come see it.